Hello everyone, welcome back. I have some more presets to give away. They'll be in the description below. And once again, they're free. After you download them, go to Effects, look for SDS Dual Screen Viewer. I'm going to have another set coming out in the next day or two that are almost the same, except for these ones are static. The other ones actually open and close, they're animated. So when you see them, make sure you grab both so you don't think you have both when you only see one. And you'll see 0, 1A and 0, 1B. That's for the first set. Second set, B02A, 02B. Drop the A on the top clip and B on the bottom clip. This is just a generator I have for a background. These are transparent, so you can put anything you want in there for a background. When you click on it, click on Effects, and open the controls. You have zoom, coordinates, border width, blip, and color. Select the bottom clip, which is the right side, and you have all the same controls. Now to the second one, I want the 02A and a 02B. And you can see the background behind this one. And you have all the same controls. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.